How to turn a freezer into a worm bed. Raising worms is a unique and useful hobby that offers many benefits, from a supply of worms for fishing to a rich compost for garden beds. Worms require moist habitat with good circulation for optimal growth and reproduction. A freezer provides a good environment for a worm bed, since it holds the required bedding and allows air circulation. With a few simple modifications, you can convert an old freezer into a safe place to grow worms. Things you'll need: drill, 1/4 inch drill bit, black and white newspaper, soil, manure, leaves. Drill 18 to 20 holes in the bottom of the freezer using a 1/4 inch drill bit. Space the holes about 6 to 8 inches apart. Set the freezer on concrete block sand. Keep it off of the ground. Fill the freezer halfway with dirt. This helps fill the space in the freezer that the worms generally do not use. Cover the dirt with shredded, black and white newspaper. Use a spray bottle and dampen the newspaper with water. Do not saturate it, since this causes mold to form. Place a mixture of bedding, such as garden soil, manure and leaves, on top of the newspaper. Fill the freezer with the soil mixture until it reaches between 5 to 10 inches from the top of the outside edge. This gives you room to bend over and dig without the worms crawling out. Add worms to your freezer bed. The Louisiana Department of Environment Quality website recommends using red worms, or red wigglers. Cover the soil and worms with water. Prop the lid open with a piece of wood for proper circulation. Feed your worms. They eat almost half of their body weight per day. Scraps containing starch, like bread and oatmeal, serve as worm food, as well as fruit and vegetable scraps. Change the bedding in the freezer every 6 months. This prevents the soil from getting old and losing nutrients. Tips: warnings. Choose a location for the worm bed out of the direct sunlight that keeps it dry and warm in the winter. Do not overfeed your worms. Rotting may occur and cause a foul odor. Keep the bed moist, but do not overwater the worms. They will drown.